Hello, in this video, we will do exercise 7, page 78. Calculate and simplify if possible. 2 3/5 times 3 2/9. We have two mixed numbers and we have to multiply them. And we don't know how we multiply two mixed numbers. So what we have to do, we have to write them in fraction form, then we will multiply them. So let's write the first mixed number in fraction form. We multiply 5 by 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So the numerator is 13 and the denominator will be the same 5 times 9 times 3, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. So the numerator is 29 and the denominator will be the same, which is 9. Now we will see. We will multiply these two fractions, so we have to check if we can simplify before we see the first fraction, 13 and 5. Can we simplify? No, because they don't have a common divisor. 29 and 9. No, they don't have a common divisor. Now we think 13 and 9, the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second one. Can we simplify 13 and 9? No, they have no common divisors. 29 and 5 also no, so we cannot simplify anything. So what we have to do, we multiply the numerators and the denominators. Equal 13 times 29 equal 377 over 5 times 9 equal 45. Now you have to do exercise 8. Calculate and simplify if it is possible. Let's see the first one. We have a mixed number times addition of a fraction between parentheses. Here we have to use PEMDAS. The parenthesis is stronger than the times, so we start by the parentheses. And let's remember how we add two fractions. They should have the same denominator, so we should reduce them to the same denominator. We have 8 and 6. What we have to do to find the denominator, we take the largest denominator and we multiply it by, we try. So we multiply it first by 2. 8 times 2 equals to 16. And we see if the answer is multiple of the second denominator, if it is multiple of 6. 16 is not multiple of 6, so we cannot reduce them to 16. Now we try 8 times 3 is equal to 24. Is 24 multiple of 6? Yes. So we should reduce them to 24. So we multiply this fraction by 3. And we multiply this fraction by 4 because 6 times 4 is equal to 20. So now we write the mixed number 2 2/7. times between parentheses we have two fractions. 3 times 3, 9. 8 times 3, 24. Plus 5 times 4, 20. 6 times 4, 24. Now the fractions between parentheses have the same denominator, so we can add them. 2 2/7 times, how we add two fractions with same denominator, we add the numerators. 9 plus 20, 29, and we keep the denominator 24. Now we cannot multiply a mixed number by fraction, so we have to write this mixed number in a fraction form. 7 times 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So the first fraction is 16 over 7. The denominator does not change, times 29 over 24. Now to multiply these two fractions, we have to see first if we can simplify. 16 and 7, we cannot simplify. 21 and 24, we cannot simplify. 16 and 24, yes, we can simplify by 8. We think of the largest number we can simplify by. We can simplify by 2 and by 4, but 8 is the largest one, so we simplify by 8 because 16 is 2 times 8 and 24 is 3 times 8. So we simplify by 8. Now can we simplify 29 and 7? No. So let's see what we get. In the numerator, from the first one it left 2, and from the second we have 29. So 2 times 29 equals to 58. So 58 in the numerator. And here we have 7 times 3, because from the second one it left 3, is equal to 21. Thank you.